Hi everyone, welcome to Values. Today we're looking at Humacyte, and we've had probably one of the best days we've had in a very long time in terms of share price performance. Though even though it's gone up 33%, it doesn't really feel like it's actually gone up that much considering how much it has dropped. So if we go to like the 5-day chart, we can see that the share price actually touched like $1.14 or so, even though it's gone up 33%, which is superb, mind you. Like I'm happy with the performance, but let's do this for another couple of weeks before we see an acceptable share price. Like at $1.53, it's still trading at a very cheap kind of value. So if you kind of saw the market just had a massive rebound, everything was up. Obviously Humacyte was a bit more up than others. It could have something to do with the recent purchases by two directors, which is very positive. So we have Constantino Michael. He purchased, was it 16,000 shares at $1.26, so he saw it as a good opportunity. And it basically nearly doubles his holding to 32,950. Mind you, it's still not a massive holding, but I'll take it. A director buying is a good sign. But not just that, it was followed up by a second director buying, Kathleen Sibelius. She acquired 50,000 shares, so even more shares, which looks a bit more, even more confident, and at a slightly higher share price of $1.32, and that cost her 66,000, and basically it more than doubles her holding to 91,207 shares. So it's been a pretty good day. Like markets up, and the timing couldn't have been better with these two directors buying. Mind you, like the share price is in a sense dirt cheap, because it was looking to that point where whether it could drop to $1 or not. I think that's when the market was really thinking about that. But now that we've just had a big turn upwards, hopefully momentum can continue. Shares traded today was 10 million shares. Average is normally just over 3 million. So we've had a decent amount of shares traded. Everything looks positive. No news out in terms of progress, in terms of sales progress. But I think, things as they are look pretty good in terms of as long as they just keep progressing things, then hopefully we do continue to see this performance in the share price. So I'd say it's just more, the share price was more oversold and it just had a massive bounce. And I think the two directors buying is a really good sign of confidence, though also at the same time when insiders are buying, it also means there's no big news around the corner. So probably no DoD contract yet, but possibly further down the track, because obviously if insiders know information that's going to influence the share price heavily, say like a Department of Defense contract, then they cannot buy at that time. Hence why management may not be able to buy at this time, because they may be in possible negotiations. So if the directors are buying, then there's probably nothing too close in terms of announcements that will be coming up. But I'll take it. Like, it's a good sign of confidence. Obviously they see sales are going to be continuing to progress very well. So like I see whenever insiders buy, it's a really good sign. But obviously it's still difficult to tell with the current situation, how much sales they're getting and how much they're going to burn in terms of cash and how long they can last for. But I'll take it. With the weeks or even months we've had, it's fantastic to see 33%. If this was another stock, I would be absolutely overjoyed at 33%. But considering how much these guys have dropped, 33% is just like a consolation prize. If we see 33% tomorrow and we get to blow past $2, then I may, be a bit more I'll be definitely be happier. But at the moment, yeah, I'll take it. A win's a win. All right. Yeah, I think that's really all I had to say today. Won't keep this going too long. Good luck investing, everyone, and see you next time.